There you have it, folks. A whole 18-wheeler full of lumber. That's going to be our roof. So, another day's worth of work. You see the attic floor joists, or respectively the second floor ceiling, over on the right side, over the office and the laundry room. Got those in. They look a little wonky, but they'll straighten out when we put the front rafters here. Right now, they're just hanging out over that wall between the office and the laundry room. But it's starting to look like something. Today we put all those top joists up there and we started decking the floor up there, and tomorrow we will continue that all the way to the edge there and then move over to that side and do the same thing with the decking up here. So you may be wondering what the heck we're doing. What's going on is that we have moved the 20-foot long floor joists, you can see up there, on top of the walls of the second floor, and we have started sheathing, subflooring the areas where we need to build the gable walls. Gable walls are going on the far side of the ceiling there, which means, you know, on top of there sits a gable wall, and then the ridge beam sits on top of that gable wall, and in order to get that all set up, we needed to have a work platform up there. So when you look at this from the front, what you'll see is that all of those floor joists are cut at a 45-degree angle, and that is so the rafter can sit next to the floor joist and be flush with the front of the floor joist. The rafters will start at that little cripple wall there and go up past the floor joist all the way up to the ridge beam and be tied in up there at the joists and down below at the cripple wall. This here, the wall with the 4 studs in it, that's just a temporary support, so these ends of the joists aren't just flailing around, and so we can line everything up right and screw it together. So we've got a section right there, and we have a section right there. That is, we still have to put the subflooring on that, and then once we are done with that, we're going to put a gable wall on that as well, and we're going to put the same roof construction on that side. The portion between the big LVLs that are going from the back of the house to the front of the house, and those floor joists will be spanned with floor joists and subflooring this way. the front with sheathing today. That was pretty much the only thing we could do due to the wind and the cold. Next is completing the sheathing with that sheet that's missing right there, and then go up the next level. We're gonna have to set the scaffolding up on this side and actually go another level higher and tie it off to the house so it doesn't fall over when we're up there and trying to screw things in. Alright, gotta do that here and on the other side, and then we can start building the gable walls. So stay tuned.